Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today I will show you how to see who replayed your Snapchat story in 2022. Now the first thing that you can do is you can obviously go to your story in the left upper corner, as you can see, or to your profile, right? And then you can scroll here to your stories. You can click on your story and you can click on the views down below. As you can see, we have 0 views currently. So here you will be able to see who viewed your story, but again, there is one more feature to see who rewatched your story on Snapchat, right? So for that, what you will have to do is you will have to go back and you will actually have to go to Snapchat Plus, right? Now, Snapchat Plus is a subscription, right? So you'll have to pay $4 in order to see who rewatched your story on Snapchat Plus. Now you will be able to get a list of friends, and then you will get number, as you can see currently on the screen, you'll get a number of how many people rewatched your story. So how many different people rewatched your story. On this screenshot, as you can see, it's 2, right? And yeah, that's pretty much how it works right now. You will have to have Snapchat Plus, unfortunately. So yeah, that's $4 per month. So, if you want to see who rewatch your story, you will have to definitely go and buy Snapchat Plus. Now, I hope this video helps either way. I know it's not the most helpful one, but yeah, if you have any comments or questions about Snapchat Plus, comment down below and I'll make sure to get back to you as well. So thank you guys for watching and we'll see you in the next video.